Welcome back to the economics course. This week, we will learn a bit more about the concept of scarcity and the factors of production. Scarcity is the notion of not having enough of something. For example, food. So many people starve every day without enough food to eat. Some even die. This makes it pretty clear that food is a scarce resource. In contrast, there are free resources. For example, oxygen. There's enough around to sustain every living creature for billions of years to come. Some notable scarce resources are the factors of production. That is, land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. These four factors of production are used in various combinations for the production of goods and services to make an economic profit. The first one, land or natural resources, includes land and the natural resources that come from the land. The land is used for multiple purposes, from agriculture to commercial properties, and the natural resources we get from land, like water, oil, minerals, etc., also have various uses. For example, they can be used to produce foods. Land also serves as a store of value. Store of value is a concept that we will learn about later in this course. But the basic idea of store of value is that you buy something of value that won't decrease in value over time. For example, land, and then when a rainy day comes, you can sell it in exchange for its value. This is also a form of investment. Labor refers to human input, either physical or intellectual. As a factor of production, labor can again take various forms, from plowing the land to writing a software code, or even making an art for that matter. Capital in an economic context usually refers to something produced to produce other things. For example, machinery, buildings, tools, etc. are all referred to as capital. Though in financial terms, capital means money required for business. Entrepreneurship is the ability to tie the other factors of production together to create output. This output is then supplied to others in exchange for money, and a certain amount of that money is put back into the factors of production to produce more output. The amount of money that is not used becomes the savings of the company. All these resources under factors of production are scarce at some level and are used optimally to generate the desired output. Well then, I hope to see you again next week when we will learn about the production possibilities curve and opportunity cost. Until then, keep learning.